Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Kaptechpro. In this video, we'll learn how to change UPN suffix of our users in our entire domain. So guys, without any delay, let's go to our lab environment and let's see how we can do it. Okay friends, so now we are on our lab environment and this is my domain controller. And the computer name is DC and the domain name is Kaptechpro.online. I have also provided a static IP to my domain controller, which is 192.168.29.8. So friends, on my forest Kaptechpro.online, I have few users who are using UPN suffix Kaptechpro.local. I want my users to use Kaptechpro.online UPN suffix. So I will click on Tools. I will open Active Directory Users and Computers. In Active Directory Users and Computers, I will expand my forest. I will click on my OU test. Let me randomly open any user properties. I will click on account and you can see the UPN suffix is Kaptechpro.local. I have added UPN suffix Kaptechpro.online and I want my users UPN suffix to be Kaptechpro.online from today onward. So let me close it. And let's see how we can do it using PowerShell, because it will be a hectic task if you have so many users in your organization and by going on all the users properties and changing it manually. So we'll see how we can achieve this using PowerShell. Let me minimize my Active Directory Users and Computers. I will click on Start and now I will open Windows PowerShell. I will right click on it and I will click on Run as Administrator. Let me clear the screen. Now first of all, let me enter the command to see the user principal name for all the users in my domain. So I will enter the command. Okay, so after entering the command get AD user filter, search space will be my OU is test, domain name is Kaptechpro.online, pipe, then format list, name and user principal name. Now I will press enter. So I have made a spelling mistake. I have to put filter. Now it's fine. Now I will again run it. You can see these are my users, Rachit, Ritika, Jack, and user principal name suffix is Kaptechpro.local. Now we have to change it to Kaptechpro.online. So friends, now we have to change UPN suffix for my all users. So we have to enter the command for that. I have already saved my command on Notepad. You can see the command is import module active directory. Old suffix is Kaptechpro.local. In the new suffix, you have to enter the new suffix for your users, which is Kaptechpro.online. DC Kaptechpro DC online. The server name is DC and this is the command to change UPN suffix. Get AD user search space filter for each object. New UPN equals to user principal name dot replace old suffix with the new suffix. Set AD users server and the user principal name. Okay friends, so I have entered the command in my window PowerShell ISC. So I will click on this run script. Okay friends, so after running the command, you can see my command is executed and I am seeing the status completed. Now let's go and check if our UPN suffix is changed to Kaptechpro.online or not. Okay, now let's again execute this command and let's see if our UPN suffix is changed or not. So you can see my user UPN suffix is now changed to Kaptechpro.online. Earlier it was Kaptechpro.local. So friends, that's how you change UPN suffix for your all users in your entire domain. That concludes our video demonstration. For more informative videos, you can check my other video links on the screen and subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more upcoming videos. I will see you guys in next video.